Exercise Rolling Thunder is a regimental level exercise, distributed live fire artillery. So that's both cannon and HIMARS, distributed between Camp Lejeune, North Carolina and Fort Liberty, North Carolina. The whole idea behind the exercise is to demonstrate the artillery regiment's ability to provide fires in support of 2nd Marine Division. Exercise Rolling Thunder applies to the 2030 plan by ultimately lets us really examine that operating environment and then also take a good look at where cannon artillery and where rocket artillery ultimately play in that sort of environment.